Good morning, day two. Today we switched it up. I went for a run first. It's now 7:30. I woke up super early, so that's a nice one. It was a short run because I'm in Antwerp. I have no idea where to go, but I was out for 30 minutes, and it's beautiful. Today we have day two. I sound like I'm trying too hard. Yesterday we had what if people think I'm weird. And my next action was mostly like to switch up my morning routine, which worked. Uh, Worked even though I'm not even home. What helped is to have the prep the night before. It was an early rise out of nowhere. Maybe it's the hotel room. Um, Sound like I'm trying too hard. Let's take the supernova presentation. I know my words. So maybe it will look like I'm rambling. So maybe it'll look too rehearsed and not natural. What's actually true is people see you care. Yes, they could also think I'm not experienced enough. What's actually true, I do have experience. I've presented before. Plus, if they think I don't have experience, well, the thing is, I do. If they don't, well, they probably won't because I have experience. I've done this before. If they think I don't, they're just not my people. Yes, yes, but what if no one is my people? What is actually true? Well, then you're just not at the right event. Yes, but where do I find my people in? You'll know faster in new places. Yes, but if I want to scale the work into threads, then I'll have what they think, plus get their approval somehow. You know how they think. You've been there. If they believe you're not experienced in this point, then they'll just confirm something already new. So then you just go broad or work with smaller partners who believe in the big vision and start testing and learning about distribution models. The big ones will come around eventually. So Not today. I have this quote here. You will get there when you're meant to get there and not one moment sooner. So relax, breathe, and be patient. I love that. I'll get there when you're meant to get there and not one moment sooner. So relax, breathe, and be patient. So my one next action is to relax, breathe, be patient. Um, my answer is keep reaching out to people, keep reaching out to people, be patient, be securing my time, make sure you need it. This is happening with or without you. So my one resulting action is mostly to go from a fear state to a trust state. I have to reinforce, well, I have my daily quotes, so I keep them. Plus, I have a therapy session that oh, okay. So for the results, I'll come back tomorrow. See you.